welcome to today's graphic design tip of the day. For today's tip, we're going into Adobe Photoshop to learn how to single out a specific part of your image and change the color of it. In mine, it would take forever to select all of these leaves and change the color, so let's learn how to do it in a couple simple steps. I'm going to make a copy of this layer and go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Always remember your non-destructive layer. And then we're going to the HSL Adjustments, so under Color Mixer. And my leaves are mostly orange, so I want to go to my hue option here and choose my orange color bar and pull that towards the left to start to create those red tones and click OK. Already a big difference between my original and my second. I'm going to make a second copy of this and do it again. Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Again, go to the HSL Adjustments, and one more time I'm going to pull that hue towards my red option. I'm also going to go to my saturation and bump that up just a little bit for my red tones. And finally, you can always adjust your luminance to just deepen that value a little bit by adding a little bit of black to the image. And I would finish this up with always that vignette effect. Just add a little bit of focus into my subject. Maybe a touch of saturation to my green values as well, since they're my complementary color in this image. And there we go. I'm going to merge my layers together. Here is my before and my after. Much more dramatic, works much better with the colors. I hope you enjoyed today's graphic design tip of the day.